So are you saying that in spite of 10 MLAs attending the CLP last night, there are still attempts going on to split the party?
Still attempts are being made by BJP. Still the offers of monies have increased. Offers of position has increased. Now everybody is being offered. I don't know how many ministers BJP can make. Many of the MLAs are being called, okay, we'll make you a minister now, come. We'll give you money. Even today morning also it has happened. So what do I say to this? And
Your MLAs were solicited today morning also.
Today morning also. They called me back and said, we are being called. We are now, the offers are going up. And I believe there is a division in the BJP in the state. The chief minister is desperate to see that this goes through. The CM, maybe within their own factions there within BJP. One faction, state BJP, does not want this to happen. They don't want Mr. Michael Lobo in. They don't want Mr. Kamat in. But one faction, that is the CM's faction, is desperately trying all its efforts to see that this goes through. Their own internal politics. So these efforts are going on. But what I'm very confident about is there are some MLAs who have stood solidly, stood strongly, and are not yielding to this pressure. That I think is, I must appreciate our MLAs who have stood by us.